Good Tuesday morning, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're talking about some heat, and we're going to be seeing it. But first, today, we have the wedge in place, some rain and wedge in place here along the mountains. We're talking about 60s, currently like 64 degrees here in the Roanoke area. And this will continue throughout the day. But this is a nice day compared to what we're going to be seeing over the next few. We're going to see temperatures really heat up. 80s, 90s. We're going to get to the 90s by Wednesday. Thursday, we're looking at 95. And it just gets warmer and warmer and warmer. 95 to 98 on Friday. Saturday, we're darn near pushing 100. Same with Sunday. Monday, we're back to the mid-90s. And we just keep going. This will then continue, but somewhat cooler into the 80s, 70s to 80s finally. By the time we get into the day on Wednesday, that'll be a nice cool down, but it will be back up after the 4th of July to around 90 degrees until we get a cold front move through the area, and that will allow us to be in the lower 90s, not the upper 90s. But we're going to be in a longer term heat wave here for quite a bit of time. Precipitation-wise, we have the precipitation today. The cold front moves away. We may have a mesoscale convective system move through tomorrow evening. It'll dry out. High pressure locks in. But we then, by next week, start getting into showers and thunderstorms again. Scattered in nature. We get mist by one Sunday after. But we have to watch then for a potential coastal low. You see the rain backflows, so we have to watch that a coastal low don't develop. It is hurricane season and move towards the northwest. Convective products, I'm going to move that for tomorrow, and that's the main reason I'm doing this. It's because we will have a chance on Wednesday to see that. Let me get this locked in. This is a Enhanced Helicity Index, or EHI. And what that does is allows things to happen here. And what you're going to see here is that supercell 12.4, STP 2.2. This is a tornado potential for the Roanoke area. It changes with winds and height. This is a tornado threat for the day on Wednesday. Looking into Wednesday, you can see we have an MCS kind of breaks apart. You get scattered thunderstorms, supercells, and they combine together to be a spoil line. They break apart, and then it gets dry. And then so we're going to do that. We'll look at STP, which we looked at the other day and actually was decent here in Roanoke. And let's see, nothing like the other day per se, but the STP doesn't need to be high for there to be still tornadoes around here. As you've seen, we've had some pretty interesting weather over the last few days, and I love this thing taking its time. But it does show severe weather, and there's change in wind and height. Supercells up 4, STP's up around 1. So yeah, there's wind with change with height, so the tornado threat is there. That's in the NAM too, so we have two really good models telling us tomorrow would be a day to watch the weather, especially in the afternoon and the evening time, for the potential of damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes here in the Roanoke Valley. Otherwise, we're going to stay hot. We're going to stay warm. Make sure you have plenty of water. Make sure you stay hydrated. These are all things you got to worry about in the next few days with the heat wave going towards the 4th of July. Hottest day looks to be Sunday, right around 100 degrees. So other than that, we'll keep you updated, especially with the severe weather potential. I'll talk to you a little bit later. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, responding fire, and liveweatherblogs.com. Have a great day.